Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is April 4th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. We closed up 80 cents, 5.78%, closed at 14.63. Post-market, we're down by 6 cents. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. So this is really interesting. We have had a hard time breaking 1442. You should know these two numbers by heart. 1418, 1442. I've been saying those numbers consistently for the past 3 months. 1418, 1442. Last week, we came very close to breaking 1418. We almost break it for one day and then came back down to our channel support right here. And now we are back to this steeper bullish channel. We are just back into it after having come out of it. And now we broke a bunch of resistance at the same time. So this is really interesting. So we broke which one? Which one first? 1418. We broke second one, 1442. And we also broke this downward resistance right here, downward resistance, mid-channel resistance, I call it. And we have nice green candle. This is super great. Very happy for Palantir. It's not the biggest candle in the world. It's super nice. There's no wick at the top, so there's no selling pressure. The buyer just won that round fair and square from start to finish. Some people say you need to wait for 2 days. I'm just telling them that some people say this. But my opinion is that the supports are so close that I would chance it. I am already in Palantir. I don't have to worry about that. But if I did not own any Palantir stock yet, I would still go in personally because the support is right there. So buying close to support is the best thing that we can do. Because if things turn around, we will know immediately because we are right on the support and we can just get out and we are going to have minute losses, 1% or 0.5%. And then if the stock comes back in, we can come back in and we don't need to tell anybody that I bought there, but I had to sell and I lost 1%. But now I came back in and I made a lot of money. Let's go see the 1 hour chart to understand how this played out. Wow, very nice. So at 9:30 here, so we had the break of this downward intraday resistance during the first hour. Boom, first hour break of resistance. Look at my Tesla video where I talk about how to decide when to get in. After something like this happens, this is exactly what happened with Tesla. Break in resistance, and we did not have stochastic over 60 right here. Next candle, we had it. Boom, the stock is going up. What you do after that, it's all yours. But in terms of the indicators, everything is super, super strong. All of the indicators are great on the 1 hour chart. And all of the indicators are great also on the daily chart. So basically, let's write this pony to the horizon. This is what I'm going to say. Let's look at the VIX. So look at this here. So VIX had this support right here, and now it's breaking support going down. This is great for the stock market as a whole. Let's look at Dow Jones. So Dow Jones had a nice run. Came down a little bit harder than Tesla, but now it's picking back up for 2 days. That's good. S&P, nice green candle also. So really bouncing on 45.11 right here. NASDAQ Composite, nice bounce too. Nice bounce also for NASDAQ 100. So NASDAQ 100, I want to do something like this. We are in a very steep channel. It might not last a long time, but do we care? No, we don't care. We are making money. We don't have to think about trouble. Trouble will find us. This move is pretty great, so I couldn't complain about that. So let's just enjoy this great moment. We have been waiting for a while for Palantir to go back to 14.18. I remember from January 22nd, we came below and we were hoping for Palantir to come back up. So today is really the time to say Palantir to the moon. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.